Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Body Care, and this is Dr. Sita with you again. Many people, especially women, are very much concerned about the darker skin color in their private parts. By private parts, what I mean here is the inner thighs, the pubic area, the perianal area, etc. So in this video, we will delve into what are the common causes of discoloration in the private parts and how do we deal with it, both home remedies and proper medical treatments. So stay tuned. The skin in the genital area, perianal area, inner thighs, etc. are darker than those of other areas of the body, mainly because of a combination of hormonal factors and physical factors. Dark discoloration in any area is called hyperpigmentation. Changes in the hormone levels during puberty and also as part of aging can cause hyperpigmentation in that area in both sexes. And in females, hormone changes in pregnancy immediately after delivery and after menopause can also contribute to this hyperpigmentation of the skin in that area. Besides this, physical factors like friction and irritation following sexual activity, hair removal, shaving, clothing, etc. can also contribute to the hyperpigmentation in that area. Poor ventilation of this area also makes it more susceptible to develop hyperpigmentation. And in obese individuals, both in men and in women, this hyperpigmentation is more. Usually, this darkening is not a symptom or sign of any serious underlying medical problems, but there are some conditions where this darkening is more. One is in a hormonal condition in females called PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome, where due to the hormone imbalance, there is more of hyperpigmentation in this area. And another condition, both in men and in women, is the most commonly seen condition these days called diabetes mellitus, where due to insulin resistance, there is not only hyperpigmentation but thickening and velvety appearance of that area also, which is known as acidosis nigricans. And other conditions like folliculitis, which is inflammation and infection of the hair follicle, ingrown hairs, yeast infection in that area, certain sexually transmitted infections can also contribute to dark coloration. So, what do you do when you have discoloration in the private area? Do you need to be concerned? Do you need to rush to the doctor immediately? If the skin has undergone a sudden and drastic discoloration, then please do consult a doctor because it may be due to some allergic reactions, sexually transmitted infections, or a side effect of some medications which you may be taking for some other condition or illness. However, many people, both men and women, and especially women, are very much concerned about the dark discoloration of their private parts. This is due to various cultural and social factors which affects the perception of color of that area. See, there are so many photos and videos which you get to watch in the net which shows that that particular person has got blemishless skin in that area without any discoloration, and that may lead to a negative body image regarding the color of the skin of one's own private area. In some cultures, lighter skin is associated with beauty, youth, etc. and that may lead to a negative perception of the color of that area. So these are some of the common reasons why people who don't have any underlying medical issue also seek treatment for lightening that area. There is nothing wrong in taking treatment. So what are the various treatments available for this? Medical treatment, home remedies. There are a teen number of home remedies that people try in order to lighten the skin of that area. Some of them are aloe vera gel, green tea, rice water, turmeric, pomegranate juice, grapeseed oil, yogurt paste, cucumber paste. I honestly cannot assure you the effectiveness of these home remedies, but apparently many people are getting good effects by using these remedies, so there is no harm in trying. However, remember that if you have got any underlying conditions which contribute to this hyperpigmentation, you have to take care of that. You have to manage that. It is not just enough if you try to lighten the skin, you have to treat the underlying cause also. Okay? I honestly cannot give you 100% assurance that these remedies will be effective. Many people have tried these remedies. Some must have tried only one remedy, some must have tried multiple remedies, and many people are getting good results also. How long does it take to see results from using home remedies? The time taken will depend not only on the remedies that are used, but also on the skin type and condition of that particular person. However, generally one can say that you will get to see some noticeable effect only after 4 weeks of regular application. Consistency is the key. Regular application is necessary to see results. It's not enough if you just apply once in a while when you remember and then lament that I did not get good results, etc. Also, Since the skin in that area is very sensitive, I recommend everyone to do a patch test before trying any home remedies. When talking about home remedies, are there any remedies which need to be avoided? It is very much important. Please do avoid remedies that are too very acidic, abrasive, contain allergens and irritants for that area. Slice. Some examples are lemon juice and potato slices. Lemon juice can cause chemical burns when applied to the skin of that area. However, many people have sensitivity and develop allergy when potato slices are rubbed in that area. So please avoid that also. And now coming to the medical treatment. Medical treatment is done by a gynecologist or a dermatologist. There are some gynecologists who are specialized in cosmetic gynecology. One can approach such a specialist also. What are the commonly offered medical treatments? Intimate depigmentation peel can be done. Dermalin intimate is said to be very effective. Laser treatment is an effective procedure which can reduce the discoloration without causing scarring. There are some vitamin A products which are also effective. Some hydroquinone creams are also prescribed. As I said before, such treatment should be taken from an expert medical practitioner. Now, coming to the last part of the video, what can you do to prevent the skin in that area from becoming dark? So, if you have hyperpigmentation and have taken treatment for that, how to make sure that the darkness doesn't reappear? Avoid frequent shaving and waxing, because frequent shaving and waxing can cause irritation of this area leading to hyperpigmentation. Avoid tight clothing as it can cause friction and lead to hyperpigmentation. Take care to wear loose, breathable or cotton clothes. Avoid excessive sun exposure and protect against sun exposure. Wearing a SPF of 30 or higher when exposed to sun. If there are any hormone imbalances like PCOS or other conditions, please manage it. Aim for weight reduction in case you are overweight or obese, and aim for adequate weight gain in case you are very much thin and underweight. If there are any underlying yeast infections, do treat them. Control your diabetes. Take care not to contact any sexually transmitted infections, and in case you have any suspicion that you might have developed any sexually transmitted infections, please do not hesitate and go to the doctor at the earliest and get it corrected. Learn to manage the stressors that life throws at you on a day-to-day basis, because when there is stress, there is an increased tendency to scratch that area, and that scratch itself can cause inflammation leading to post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Okay, get good sleep. In the last but the most important message that I'd like to give you all is, if there are no medical conditions or no imbalances or no pathology, as I mentioned, and if you are taking very good care of the skin of that area and of your general health as a whole, and in spite of that you are having hyperpigmentation in that area, do not worry. Accept your body, accept yourself as you are, and do not feel self-conscious. In case you feel like taking treatment and you can afford the treatment, because most of these treatments are expensive and may need to be repeated many number of times, then you can definitely opt for that. Otherwise, please accept yourself the way you are and love yourself. This video has been useful. If so, please do like it and share it among your friends, relatives and contacts. Till I see you with another video, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and God bless.